Hello everyone. Today's topic is Chotu's house. Okay, in this lesson, Chotu. He is Chotu. Chotu is a small boy. Okay, but Chotu came to Mumbai for the first time. When Chotu came to Mumbai, it started raining and blowing winds also. Heavily it's raining. He doesn't have house to live in. So he started searching for house to live in. But finally he found a pipe. Finally he found a pipe and thought that pipe was the safest place to live in. So when he went into the pipe and he slept there. Afterwards, Chotu, that pipe has divided into different parts. See that. Actually, the pipe was the safest place to live in, and from cold, from rain or wind, whatever it may be, and it used the pipe to sleep. So then afterwards, he divided the pipe into different parts. Not only pipe and its surroundings areas also, according to his convenience, he used it. But the pipe was divided into different portions. See, once you observe this picture, my dear children, here, Chotu, he is Chotu, no? What did he do? That pipe was used for sleeping and dried clothes and storing water and cooking for food. And not only pipe and surrounding areas also, he used to different purposes. And one day what's happened, see, and Monu, he is also small boy, okay, and he also came to Mumbai for the first time. Like Chotu, Monu also doesn't have house to live in, so he also started searching for a house to live in the meanwhile. See that the opposite side of Monu, Chotu has seen Monu, right? So Monu invited sorry Chotu invited Monu. Okay, actually Chotu invited Monu to live in. Why? Because actually in that pipe and only Chotu is being continuously, but he is getting bored, and at the same time Monu also doesn't have house to live in, no. So that's what, and he used to get bored. That's what Monu can talk, can play, and both are same age group children, no. So that's what Chotu invited Monu. Both together they are living. They started being in that pipe. Okay. So finally Chotu and Monu both are become friends. They started living in that pipe. Okay, children. So before going to conclude this lesson, and we should know the difference between a house and a home. See, what is meant by house? Suppose house means a building for a human habitation. Only construction building is there. But home, what is meant by home? The place where a person lives. Suppose when a building is available, in that when people started living, that house become a home, right children, my dear? See, house, what is meant by house? A building for a human habitation. Only constructed building was there. There is no people to survive. That building is called as house. But in that house, when we started living in that house, and it becomes home, right my dear children? So that's what finally Chotu and Monu become friends, and that pipe was used as a home. Okay, so that's what Chotu and Monu become friends, and they started living in that pipe. This is the story of Chotu's house. Okay, and further here suggested an activity. We all live with our house, no, along with us, and who are other different things continue living in our house.